Hello and welcome to my second tutorial. Today we're going to create our own background. You're going to create your own sprite and then record your own sound effect. Let's start by clicking on the house. Next we're going to tap on the plus button to create a new project. At the top we're going to select the background button. Tap on the paintbrush button at the top. Here we can draw our own background. This is the line tool. You can also change the thickness of the line. We also have some basic shapes. At the bottom are all the paint colours. If you use the bucket tool at the bottom on the right, you can fill your shapes. We also have an insert image, cut delete, copy stamper, jump into the top, an arrow that allows us to select to move, and the two circling arrows allow us to rotate our shape. Let's use the button at the top to undo all that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a background of outside and a cave. So start with blue for the sky. I'm going to use the box tool to draw a green rectangle. Use the paint bucket to fill it with colour. And then I will use that line tool at the top to draw my cave. Now the trick with this is that all your lines must be touching. So I have to go right back to the beginning and touch that line, and then I can use the bucket to fill it with colour. So I'm going to draw opening to my cave, make sure your lines touch, and you can use the paint bucket and fill it with colour. I think next I'm going to draw a muddy path up to my cave. Fill that in. Some green grass growing. And finally, I'm going to draw myself a nice bright sunshine. When you're all done, tap the tick at the top. So I don't need that cat scratch. So tap and hold. When the cross appears, tap it. Add a new sprite, click on the plus symbol. Tap on the paintbrush at the top. And we're here again in the painting section, and we're going to create a new character or sprite. My sprite is going to be a little monster who lives in the cave. I'm going to draw him some arms, 2 legs. I'm going to use the circle tool to draw in some eyes. Fill that in with the paint bucket. Then I'm going to use the line tool. Oh no, sorry, eyes. Now I'm going to use the line tool. Draw in my mouth, make sure my lines touch, and then I can fill it in with the paint bucket. When you're done, tap the tick. I would like my monster to make a sound, so we're going to need to start with a yellow trigger block. I'm going to use the start on tap. Then from the green blocks, we're going to use the microphone. Press the red button to record, grrr, and tick to stop. Now drag it onto your timeline. We're going to need to finish with a red end block. Okay, let's give it a try. Grrr. Great, now it's your turn. Can you create your own background and your own sprite and then have a go at using the sound blocks to record your own sound effect? If you get stuck, don't forget you can watch this video again and pause it when you need to.